Got leftover turkey?
Make pot pies! Oh, these babies are as gorgeous as they are delicious.
Plunge through a buttery pastry topping into a savory, creamy turkey filling.
Trust us, folks, this is so much better than a boring turkey sandwich. And a little dry, probably.
That is true. That I do love a good turkey sandwich with leftover turkey, but I mean this is taking it to the
pie.
This even kind of makes it better than the old Thanksgiving feast. Okay, so let's get going. I have got 2 tablespoons of unsalted. No, actually, I'm sorry. That's 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're just going to do our standard basics for pot pie,
and this is a mirepoix.
This is a mirepoix. I've got a medium onion that's chopped. It's about a cup. This is all about equal portions. This is celery, chopped celery. And then I've got some carrots. This is probably 3 medium carrots that I cut into medallions. This is so adaptable. You can use anything you really want. What are your favorite ingredients for your fillings? You could use mushrooms. If you have leftover green beans, you could put some green beans in there.
Fun.
You can be creative, but we're going with the standards here. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook until these veggies get nice and tender, and that's gonna take about 5 minutes. Okay, so these are nice and soft. You want to definitely let these cook long enough, depending on how thick your carrots are, so they get nice and soft. Now we've got a couple of cloves of garlic that we've minced. Just gonna stir that in there so they get nice and aromatic.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Okay, now we're gonna add this. This is a 30 cup of flour, and it's gonna make our... That's right. This is what thickens it, thickens the plot.
Yes.
I am a nut for pot pies. I have been since I was a kid. That was what my mom used to stick one in the oven. You know, they were frozen solid, and so I have to wait an hour. But
and then you'd have to wait an hour for them to cool off.
Yeah, because they turned into like
so ridiculous.
The surface of the sun.
Can I show everybody this turkey real quick?
Yes, please do.
So this is smoked turkey.
No, actually, that's not smoked turkey.
It's not smoked turkey?
No, that's our maple glazed turkey.
Oh, many turkeys.
Yeah, at Thanksgiving, we're a couple of turkeys.
That is hysterical. Yes, this is our maple glazed turkey breast.
Oh, the life.
We smoked a turkey yesterday. That's why I've got a turkey.
I have other plans for that.
Oh, Lord. Anyway, this is delicious. This is delicious, too.
It is really good. It's moist, and so we cubed it, and we're going to not put it, I know. You want to cook this flour for like a minute. Just get that flour taste to cook out.
Perfect.
So now let's work as a team, and I've got my trusty whisk here. We've got a cup of...
You want to do that one first?
We'll do them both at the same time.
At the same time? No.
Yeah, but whatever.
I'll do them both at the same time.
Okay. So we've got a cup of whole milk. You could use half and half. You could really get luxurious and do heavy cream. And then this is 2 cups of, if you have turkey stock, do that. If not, chicken stock will work perfectly fine. And we're just gonna whisk this. It may get a little lumpy, but that's okay. We will continue to whisk until those lumps are gone.
How am I doing?
You're doing amazing. It's one of the best pours I've ever seen. It's so good. Okay, now you're gonna see it's nice and thin right here, and then it will start to thicken up. And that doesn't take real long. It only takes just a few minutes, and then we add the rest of the stuff, and we're good.
Can I just say real quick, this is the best filling ever.
It is.
It is so good.
Especially when you're using like fresh, turkey that you just had on the big feast. And obviously this works for chicken.
I can't even tell you, with your chicken pot pies, I just want to drink the innards.
I know.
Drink the innards.
You have before. Okay, we're gonna cook this until it gets nice and thick. Okay, now you see that consistency?
That's awesome.
Everyone's had pot pie, so you know when it gets that consistency, you're right. It takes about 4 minutes to get there. It's like a thick gravy. Now we're gonna add in, go ahead. We're gonna add in the turkey.
So we're gonna do this the easy way with a puff pastry top.
I'm just gonna interject. Now I've got a half a cup of just frozen sweet peas.
We usually make our pot pies with Chris's pie crust, really easy pie crust, but we're using a puff pastry just to make it easy on yourself since it's after Thanksgiving and you don't want to be cooking it.
No, and it's delicious. I'm using our Maison Gabrielle, our favorite spices in the world. This is about 3/4 of a quarter teaspoon of dried thyme.
Yes, and if you go to MaisonGabrielleFrance.com and use How to Feed a Loon, all one word, you'll get 10% discount.
They are the bomb. This is a
Yes.
teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of Dijon. Okay, I'm done.
All right. So I've got these ramekins are they're about 5 inches in diameter and about an inch and a half. They're they're large ramekin, which we love.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to put this here. I'm going to make a square with my puff pastry, and the puff pastry square is about. It's roughly 6 inches because I want it to hang over the top.
You just want to have a little
Hangage.
hangage. Yeah, you want to have some hangage going
Yes.
on.
So I'm just going to cut this here, and we'll cut this in here. There we go. And then I also just need to cut right in the middle, just a couple of slits so that the steam can get away
Yeah,
from.
that's important. Now we're doing this in
There you go.
individual ramekins, which is a lot of fun. You can even get easier and do it in a pie dish, and then just put a whole puff pastry over the top of that, and then just serve it family style. We do that all the time, but it is really beautiful. This feels like you're at like a Parisian bistro.
It is so gorgeous.
It is really, really fantastic.
And I'm going to just use this as a template for my other one.
Now, while he's doing that, we've got a lightly beaten egg over here. I am going to, just to kind of make it stick nicely and also so it won't stick too much, I'm just going to brush the perimeter, the top edges of these large ramekins with some egg wash. And then we'll
Fabulous.
finish that egg wash on top of the
Okay, hold. Let me just get
puff
situated.
pastries.
Yes, sorry. Hold on, let me get situated.
Okay.
There, slit there, slit
Using
there.
this giant knife to do that.
That's all right. All right, let me just make sure everybody can see what's going to happen here. Oops. there
Now
we
this
go.
makes enough to make easily, depending on what size of vessel you're using. We're obviously just making 2 just for ourselves, and I save this. This freezes beautifully. But you could, I believe this will make up to 6 to 8 pot
You're gonna
pies.
go there.
Why, what were you?
I was getting this one ready for you.
Well, we're gonna do both.
Okay.
Okay. Fill it pretty much to the top. Oh, I'm coming all the way over
There
there.
you go.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. It's choreography. And just use a ladle just to ladle this in. You guys, it is so good, so good. This is one of my favorite things in the world.
I'm so excited.
I'm gonna put just a little more over there.
So excited. Yeah, get this. Yeah, there's a little more here.
I just realized I didn't turn my oven up.
Oh, Chris.
Okay, so we are preheating our oven to 400 degrees.
Okay, that's good. It gives me time to do the egg wash on these. And so I'm just placing these over here, so I have it a little bit of hang all over the place.
Beautiful.
There we go. And then I'll do this one here.
And then I'm gonna get, wow, we're really unorganized.
Which is usually not the
We're
case,
so
Mr.
ex- we're so
Longwell.
excited to
I'm
get
usually-
started on these.
I'm the unorganized one. You're the organized one.
So
All right,
now
come on.
we're going to just liberally brush this with the egg wash. This is just going to make kind of lift the edges up. This is going to make it
Here, let me
really golden and beautiful.
Get it
And so you don't want to skip this step. It's really important.
No. I'm kind of using my fingers to get it all.
And if you've
over
never cooked with puff pastries, they're so much fun, and they really are. You can get them in usually in the frozen section in like every supermarket there ever was, and they taste so good.
And they're gorgeous.
They puff up.
Yeah, we use a puff pastry top on top of our sloppy Joe casserole.
We do.
And it's so pretty.
Yeah.
It really dresses that sloppy Joe casserole.
Really, the sloppy Joe casserole is probably not something you'll get at a Parisian bistro, but maybe they should. They should start thinking
you
about
guys,
that.
Look at that. That's
Okay.
going to be so gorgeous. I can't wait.
Now let's put
Here we
these.
go.
Just carefully place them on your baking sheet.
Got it.
And we're going to put this in a preheated 400-degree oven as soon as it gets to 400. And it doesn't take long. You just want to kind of keep it. Generally, it takes about 20 minutes. Just don't let them burn. They get nice and golden
these
brown.
get puffy and golden brown. So
And then that's it.
great. Yay!
It's time. It smells
I
incredible.
peeked at them earlier.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are works of art.
That's amazing.
It really is like something you'd order from like a French bistro.
I love that.
I do too. I mean, I'm a sucker for. I love making homemade pie crusts. And that is always classic. But this is just now I've got
fun.
I got a little bit of, just because it makes it pretty. I'm putting a little bit of chopped thyme on top, fresh chopped thyme.
Fresh thyme, yeah. Oh.
And then for a little finishing touch, this is just some coarse sea salt.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, it just gives a little. This is, like I said before, if you ate it right now, it'd be like eating the sun. So you want to give it 5-10 minutes, and it's still going to be piping hot. And then we can dig in.
All right.
The time has come. I am so excited. I get giddy for pot
Look
pies.
at how gorgeous that is.
Beautiful.
That is gorgeous. Oh.
You could serve this with like a little salad for the perfect lunch or dinner. It's probably still piping hot, but that's okay.
It's pretty hot still. So we're gonna take one for the team. Oh, you guys, I'm gonna use my knife because this puff pastry.
Yeah, it just cut right through there. Oh, it's so creamy.
Chris. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I am going to
enjoy You're gonna be okay.
I'm gonna be okay. Oh, you guys, look at that.
Oh my gosh, the creaminess of it.
See that?
Get a little carrot
there
on
we
there.
go. Oh, there we go. I got some of that.
Blow on it.
Oh, you guys.
Oh, that's a bite. Make sure you blow on that.
I gotta go. I gotta take a little off that. Okay.
Okay. We're taking all of their time. Okay, we're going in. That is a pot pie to write home about. Wowzers. You guys, I mean,
I am astounded by this taste. Oh,
Isn't that
spitting?
I know. It's spitting good.
I'm just got saliva, just like salivating. Oh, you guys.
And like I said, I love a good pie crust. My goodness gracious, I do. But this pastry,
it's so good.
So buttery and just.
Look at what I love doing. Look at that.
Oh yeah. And then just plunge it in.
Like, look at all that wonderfulness.
I know.
Oh, you guys!
You could serve this to guests, and they would be your biggest fan.
This is so. I'm using my fingers too. Look at that. Just dunking that in.
I mean,
oh my. Y'all.
wow. Oh, I was going to say real quick before you say that.
Oh yeah. Okay.
He didn't use all the puff pastry. Just refreeze it and make more. You can. It's
yes, you can do like a lattice top. There's so many possibilities with
wow,
this.
that turkey.
All right, I'm gonna.
Let's get down to business.
Yes.
Let's do it because we got to keep eating.
This is 1,000,000% Luna approved. It is so. I almost swore again. This is so bleeping good.
It ain't no turkey, I'll tell you that.
Wow.
It is really good.
No turkey sandwich.
It's no turkey sandwich. Although there's nothing wrong with a good turkey sandwich.
No,
all right, we love you guys. We hope you are having whatever time of the year it is. It's
the holidays,
If it's
people.
the holidays,
yes.
Give thanks, be thankful, love one another.
That's right. Love one another.
Lovey-dovey. And above all, make pot pies. All right, bye everybody. We love you.